1. What kinds of animals does Mr. Shore have? 2. The children can see the movie without paying. Who can see the movie free? 3. Where did he buy the pencil? 4. My chair is made of aluminum. What is it made of? 5. Tom went to the doctor to have his hearing checked. What did the doctor check? 6. The weather report is received daily. When do we get the report? 7. Mary's the cashier in our office. 8. He was a passenger on that bus. 9. Smoking in the classroom is prohibited. 10. Bob's an expert mechanic. 11. When we went on the picnic, we participated in many games. 12. The trip was very long. What was long? 13. In what season does snow usually fall? 14. How long a period may I work on this project? 15. What was the result of the accident? 16. The weather is getting cooler. What is happening to the weather? 17. Sandra made a long-distance call. What kind of call was it? 18. The heart is an important organ. What does it do? 19. The parents are watching their children cook the food. 20. The commander says he approves of the plan. 21. This city needs a little more housing. 22. I've got to have my car fixed. 23. My socks have disappeared. 24. Mr. James is a commercial pilot. 25. Joe and his friend went out to eat. 26. This book is a reprint of an old book. 27. Joan has a temporary job. 28. Joe got on the wrong bus this morning. Bill did too. 29. The insulation on the wire was damaged. What was damaged? 30. Who is most likely to use a nut? 31. The ride was bumpy. How was the ride? 32. Bob slept in the open. Where did he sleep? 33. In his haste, he forgot to turn off the stove before he left the house. What happened to his house? 34. The box was made of lumber. What was it made of? 35. Did the driver break a traffic law? 36. Are you getting used to the weather? 37. Mr. Smith will train Lois for that job. 38. Chew your food well. 39. I watched the men build a race car. 40. The man did his duty. 41. After the doctor put some drops in David's eyes, David's vision became blurred. 42. There was an explosion at the refinery. 43. Something went wrong with the engine and we had to make an emergency landing. 44. I asked the captain for some time off, but I was turned down. 45. There's a shortage of food. 46. Jack says he doesn't mind the warm weather. 47. Do you care about your job? 48. Tools should be protected against moisture. What should they be protected against? 49. She has something wrong with her respiratory system. Where is the trouble? 50. Sue bought some tableware for the occasion. What did she buy? 51. Why did the welder use goggles? 52. The soldier worked in transportation and supply. What did his job involve? 53. Someone walked away with our new book. What happened to the book? 54. The pilot carried out his mission. 55. The jury decided that the company's actions were deliberate. 56. Belinda can't stand her supervisor.
57. Did you plan to take pictures on your trip?
Yes, but my camera was not working.
What do you learn from this conversation?
'58. What did the secretary tell you?
To come back.
What did the man say about the secretary?
59. Is Kevin going to the movie?
No, he said he would be busy all day.
Why isn't Kevin going to the movie? "60. I'm going back to the house. You'd better take a flashlight with you. Why does she need a flashlight? "61. What happened to your beautiful plants?
The freeze killed them.
What happened to the plants?
62. Did you move the books?
Yes, I thought they would fall.
What did the man think the books would do?
63. Did you remember to put water in this? The leaves are beginning to fall.
No, I didn't. I'll do it now.
What needs water?
64. Can I help you, ma'am?
I want my car checked. What do you charge?
What does the woman want to know? 65. There is a car with its lights on in the parking lot. It is a blue Mercury Cougar with Georgia license plates.
"66. What are they building on the highway out by the Garrett's farm?
That's going to be a new city landfill.